the Water Use Efficiency Defining Roadmap. This is going to be chaired by Shri G. Mohan Kumar. Shri G. Mohan Kumar, Special Secretary, has been working in the Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India, New Delhi since August 2010. He's a postgraduate in Science, Chemistry, and also Master of Business Administration from UK. He joined the Indian Administrative Service in July 1979 in Odisha and has worked in various capacities in the state cadre. Earlier, he was posted for 2 terms in Centre. First, as Director from July 1995 to August 2000, and secondly, as Chairman of the Marine Products Export Development Authority, Kochi, under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, from April 2004 to April 2009. Prior to joining in the Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India, he was posted as Principal Secretary, Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department, Government of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Being the Special Secretary to the Government of India in the Ministry of Water Resources, he deals with many important and key issues, policies and programs of the government in water sector. During his tenure in MOWR, there has been significant way forward on many issues and policies, such as National Water Mission Document, National Water Policy 2012, Data Dissemination Policy, etc., and various reforms in water sector. He is also the Mission Director of National Water Mission. Moreover, he is the Chairman of the Organizing Committee of India Water Week 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shri G. Mohan Kumar. In this session, we have a pleasure of having very experienced panel of experts. First and foremost, we have Professor M.S. Rathore. Dr. Manohar Singh Rathore is presently working as Director, Center for Environment and Development Studies, situated at Jaipur. Dr. Rathore completed his doctorate in agricultural economics in 1980, Himachal Pradesh University. He is presently working on the projects of rainwater harvesting and its artificial recharge, low-cost drip irrigation technologies, artificial recharge of groundwater, biomass utilization, etc. He has also written a number of research reports, more than 50 research papers, and a total of 7 books. He is also a member of various working groups, Board of Management, and Mission of Central and State Government. Our next expert is Shri Sanjeev Agarwal. Shri Sanjeev Agarwal is currently heading Planning and Development Organization at Central Water Commission. Shri Agarwal has completed LLB after graduating in Civil Engineering from IIT Delhi. Presently, under the capacity of Chief Engineer, he is handling various projects on implementation of hydrology project, development of flood forecasting mathematical model, integrating river basin planning, morphological studies of rivers and implementation of various strategies under National Water Mission and other activities of climate change. Then we have Shri Vinay Kumar. Shri Vinay Kumar is presently working under the capacity of Chief Engineer of Project Appraisal Organization at Central Water Commission. After graduation in Civil Engineering, he completed Masters in Technology in Hydraulics and Water Resources. He has handled various projects including major contribution to flood management of Ganga and Brahmaputra basins and investigation and preparation of detailed project reports. He was also associated with policy making and planning with Ministry of Water Resources for 5 years. Our next expert is Mr. Ashok Kumar Kharia. Mr. Ashok Kumar Kharia is leading the climate change cell at Central Water Commission. He is presently looking after climate change issues pertaining to water resources. He has been instrumental